Yusukes totally certified football. I know you want Johnny Bench or Johnny Manziel. He calls him Johnny Bench because he's always on the bench. Alright. 2. Four packs, 4 hits. Good luck to you. Alright, we got Randall Cobb, Jake Walker, Bruce Ellington rookie, Trey Mason out of 50, auto jersey. It's not bad. He's having a pretty good year. And Reggie Bush base. Okay, we got Bradford, Cap, Zach Martin rookie, Alex Smith, clear cloth out of 25. Fortunately, won't be playing this weekend because he has a lacerated spleen. And Peyton Manning base. Alright, we got Chad Henne. Connor Shaw, numbered out of 5. Mirror Gold. Antonio Andrews. This is 99. Howie Long and Khalil Mack dual jersey. That's pretty cool. And Reggie Wayne. Last pack. We got Alfred Morris, Vincent Jackson, Rajon Neal, and points. 150 points. And Andre Johnson, base card. Alright, that's it. Thanks again, Yusuke.